Android Pie, the new version of Google's mobile operating system, formerly called Android P, first arrives at Pixel smartphones from the search giant starting on Monday. Initially, Google announced a preliminary version of the software in March, then demonstrated some functions at its annual I/O developer conference in May. People who signed up for the Android beta program, which allows them to test previously released versions of the software, will receive the update before the end of this fall, if they have devices from Sony Mobile, Xiaomi, HMD Global, Oppo, Live, OnePlus and Essential. Google said it is also working with other partners to launch or update devices with Android Pie this year, although the company did not provide additional details on exactly when those updates would arrive. Google usually names its new flavors of Android alphabetically and after something sugary. For example, the previous version of Android was called Oreo. Before that it was Nougat, preceded by Marshmallow and Lollipop. Officially, Google calls it Android 9 Pie or only Android 9.